Today we will be learning the ninth chapter of your EVS book, that is People at Work. So here we will come to know that what is occupation. Okay, so first of all let me tell you what occupation is. Here are many persons mentioned who are working in different field, different sectors. First we will come to know what is occupation. So now occupation means the activities performed by the people to earn their living. Means we the people, whatever work we do, so by which we get money and our daily family runs by that money is considered that kind of work, that from which a single penny, means it can be a 1 rupees also, if we earn a 1 rupees also, so that kind of work can come terms as occupation. That person is under the employment sector. Okay, now either he is a government servant or a private servant, doesn't matters. Okay, so now you see people at work, we will be learning about, see in our day-to-day life we can find many people working in vegetable shop. Those are vendors, vegetable vendors, those are doctors, nurse, cobblers. Okay, so let us know what are this kind of works. You see in here, in this we mentioned that Raghu, there is one boy at the first people at work. Raghu, he is a boy who makes pots. Okay, he makes clay pots, and by making these clay pots he sells in the market and earns a huge amount of money, maybe a huge or a little amount of money, but by this he runs his family. Okay, the second comes Ramu. He is a tailor. He stitches clothes, and the clothes that he stitches, he stitches clothes when people buy, they buy with the money, and by this money that he gets, he runs his family, right? Next it is being mentioned as Dinu. He is one boy who is a cobbler. So whenever your shoe gets tore up, means that to repair that shoe, to make that shoe again a perfect shoe so that you can wear on daily basis, okay, for the day-to-day work, leather shoes, so you have to go to the cobbler. So he is a cobbler who makes this kind of shoes, okay, who repair shoes. Next comes Sonu. Sonu is one boy who is a mechanic who repair cars, any sort of cars or any sort of vehicles. Okay, so you know, basically this mechanics, he's a owner of this big garage also. So by repairing this cars, so if anyone's cars get any sort of problem, if there when he repairs this, he gets some money, and by that money he runs his family. Next comes Pranav. So Pranav is a civil engineer. Okay, so he build bridges, he build buildings, flyovers, you know, this kind of things he builds, and by that building, after building that, the money that he gets from the government or from any private sector, from the government sector, basically this kind of things are built. Or but if someone builds a building, that depends on personally to that person, right? So the money that he gets from that he earns, and he runs his family. Next, Anshu is a doctor. So you know always that Anshu, this doctor always examines the patients, right? So he prescribes the patient some medicines so that he or she can get cured. So he is a doctor at a government hospital who treats patients. And Komal, it's other being mentioned as another girl. So you see, Komal is a nurse. She takes care of the patients and she preferred them those medicines preferred by the doctor. She gives those medicines and treats those patients. Okay, now you see it is being also told about women at work in this here. So women at work means, you see, in our day-to-day life, in the earlier times, people, they used to keep such kind of mentality that women must always get engaged in kitchen works. They must be always busy in the kitchen. Man will work. But nowadays this theory has quite changed. Okay, now it is more than the men, the women are working. Okay, they are getting successful. As you can see, as it is mentioned, Punita Arora, she was the first woman to hold the rank of a lieutenant general in the Indian army. Okay, then Sunita Williams was another woman who stayed in space for 195 days. So you have all, these are the two women, you see, so successful women. So you have heard about another woman who, her name is Mary Kom. She won an Olympic medal, gold medal for boxing. Okay, Pratibha Patil was the first woman president of India. Okay, then Indira Gandhi, she was the first prime minister of India. Okay, so by this we come to know that women in different age and different places, different sectors are getting engaging themselves in any kind of activities, and by this activity they are getting money. Okay, so we can call this as any sort of activities or any sort of work done in our day-to-day life, so that we get a single penny or a little money, so that is being termed as occupation. So these are the different kinds of people we have talked about, and they are engaged in different works. This is all about the lesson. Thank you.